ये एक बहुत ही सुंदर टॉपिक है। अभाव क्या है? किसी वस्तु का अपने पास उपलब्ध न होना अभाव है। अभाव कई प्रकार के हो सकते हैं। रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान, रुपए, पैसे का अभाव। प्रेम, सम्मान, ज्ञान, स्वास्थ्य, अनुभव, ऐसे विषयों में भी अभाव महसूस हो सकता है। एक दूसरी चीज है फीलिंग ऑफ अबंडेंस। ये हमारी मनोस्थिति है। कम भी हो, पर हमारी अगर फीलिंग अबंडेंस की है तो हम शेयर करना चाहते हैं और करते हैं। Recognizing scarcity thinking, we identify negative talks and thoughts of lack, that we lack. Acknowledge the feeling of fear, anxiety, and stress as a result of that scarcity which we do not have. How to cultivate feeling of abundance or have an abundance mindset. I was taught in my childhood gratitude feeling. Focus on what you have, count the blessings, and not what you lack. Always do positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations. Positive self-talks. Mindfulness. Always stay in present and appreciate the current moment, and again, count the blessing. Generosity is the biggest virtue. Share your time, share your resources, or your expertise to foster a sense of abundance. Always have a growth mindset for self and for others. Now, coming to the most difficult part, bridging the gap. I will say reframe challenges. See obstacles as stepping stone to abundance. Obstacles से घबराएं नहीं. Set intentions. Focus on what you want to achieve. बहुत जरूरी है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए आप क्या चाहते हो. Take actions. Move towards your goals with purpose and determination. Celebrate progress. छोटी छोटी achievement को celebrate करना सीखिए. Surround yourself with positive people, with positivity. Build a supportive network that encourages growth and abundance. By implementing these strategies, we can bridge the gap between scarcity and abundance mindset. Cultivate a more positive and empowered approach to life. Thank you very much. I will love to have your comments